You might already be aware that voestalpine is a world-leading steel and technology group. But did you know that our high-performance metals division is also a reliable long-term partner to the plastic injection molding industry? We offer tailor-made solutions for companies such as injection molders and tool makers, as well as for plastic part developers or designers. Join us now to explore our holistic approach to pushing boundaries in injection molding, demonstrated through a coffee cup mold that showcases new horizons in mold and part design. It combines long-term know-how in engineering design with advanced tool steels and manufacturing technologies to achieve remarkable productivity improvements. So, how did we achieve these improvements? From engineering design to ready-to-use cavity inserts, we can improve tool performance, reduce costs, and unlock new possibilities in part design. Our simulation-based design approach for conformal cooling optimizes cycle times and part quality. Additive manufacturing offers maximum design freedom in conformal cooling layouts of tool inserts, sensor integration, and weight reduction. By combining Böhler or Udderholm tool steel powders, material-specific process parameters, and optimized heat treatment routes, our additively manufactured tool inserts reach up to 99.997% density, ensuring mechanical properties comparable to bar stock materials and enabling even high-gloss polishing. Due to our high standards and expertise in tool steels, we guarantee the outstanding quality of our tool inserts. Additionally, we provide specific recommendations for machining and finishing to ensure reproducible results for your high-demanding applications. Eschmann Textures provides a wide range of surface texturing technologies to create customized, visually and haptically appealing surfaces. Ultra-short pulse lasers enable the creation of even the finest structures with a perfect interplay of design and functionality. Improved cooling performance allows precise control of wall temperature and superior molding of microstructures without compromising dimensional stability. Tailored coatings provide wear resistance while preserving tool functionality and optical appearance. iFiller coating optimizes surface properties, improves wear resistance, and incorporates innovative features for tool longevity. By incorporating conformal cooling and optimized additive manufacturing materials early in the coffee cup mold design, we reduced cycle times, enhanced part quality, and maintained tight tolerances. Our holistic approach embraces voestalpine's commitment to sustainable production. Our sustainability platform Inspire helps our customers to set new environmental standards and reduce their carbon footprint. Discover how the innovative design behind the voestalpine coffee cup and our technologies can benefit your projects. Contact us now to get started.
voestalpine, one step ahead.